Looking for the perfect set of quality tools to elevate your project? The Makita B-49432 is an 18-piece combination set that includes top-notch accessories designed to complement your power tools and garden tools. Hand-powered and easy to use, these Makita accessories ensure durability and reliability for any job. Whether you're working indoors or outdoors, this set has you covered. Make your tasks easier and more efficient today. You will find the purchase link in the description and pinned comment. Looking for a versatile and organized storage solution? Meet the Einhell E-Case, a modular drawer case that easily stacks and combines with other units in the Einhell E-Case system. Its large lower drawer comfortably holds power tools like cordless screwdrivers and angle grinders up to 20 kilograms, while the smaller drawers are perfect for screws and dowels. Security is simple with integrated locks, a padlock slot, and convenient for quick access. You'll find the purchase link in the description and pinned comment. Looking for high-quality accessories to enhance your power tools? Check out the Bosch Starter Set. A leading manufacturer, Bosch provides the perfect accessories for almost every task, helping you work more efficiently. Their dedicated research and development teams continually create and improve products based on user needs, ensuring reliability and top performance. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, this starter set is a smart choice to get your projects started right. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the comment. Looking for a reliable screwdriver set to handle all your repair needs? Check out the Rolson Screwdriver Set, crafted from durable chrome vanadium steel. This power bit set includes slotted tips in 3 sizes, Phillips heads in 3 sizes, and PZ tips, all designed to reach awkward areas easily. With a handy length of 150 millimeters, it's perfect for tight spots. Keep your tools organized and ready to go. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Makita B-43044, a versatile and reliable bit set perfect for all your drilling and screwing needs. Designed by Makita, a trusted name in power tools, this set includes a variety of high-quality bits that deliver excellent performance and durability. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, the Makita B-43044 makes your projects easier and more efficient. Don't miss out this essential tool. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.